This heavy-duty stump grinder is as fast as they come thanks to speeds over 1,000 RPM, a 24-inch diameter steel cutting wheel, and 32 carbide teeth to aggressively chew through any stump. The unique bidirectional cutting makes this machine a dream to operate, giving the skid steer operator dual pass operation without wasting time and energy moving the skid loader back and forth. Also does a better job of removing stumps by delivering a maximum cutting depth of 8 inches below the ground. The offset wheel allows fantastic visibility, while the 55-degree 4-foot outside arc swath gives a bigger cut per pass. The electric over hydraulic drive system means more power and lower maintenance while allowing up, down, and left-right adjustments while the grinding wheel is turning for maximum adjustability. Heavy equipment operator Sean Sanchez likes the efficient dual-pass operation of the stump away.
Cutting back and forth saves a lot of time, easy on the equipment, and you don't have to move your skid loader up and down.
If you need to get into tight areas while minimizing damage to property, this stump eating machine will get you there quickly and easily.